Open the original photo. Before continuing to watch this video, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you don't miss a new tutorial. Thank you. We will set light. Reduce the exposure in the number -0.6. The contrast is fixed at 0. Reduce the highlight at -100. Add shadow in number 14. Reduce whites at -10. Add blacks in number 2. Then we will set color. Temp and tint remain at 0. Add vibrance at number 58. Saturation is still 0. Then enter the mix menu. Red stays at number 0. Orange stays at number 0. Yellow. Reduce hue at number -9. Add saturation at number 2. Add luminance at number 100. Green. Reduce hue at -77. Increase saturation at 100. Add luminance at 84. Cyan is still 0. Blue. Reduce hue at -14. Reduce saturation at -8. Reduce luminance at -40. Purple stays at number 0. Pink stays at number 0. Then we will set the effect. Add texture in number 6. Clarity stays at number 0. Set the vignette to -21. Add dehaze to number 39. Leave midpoint and feather at number 50. Leave the highlights and grain amount at the number 0. Leave the size at 25. Leave roughness at number 50. Add sharpening at number 43. Leave the radius at 1.40. Leave details at number 25. Leave masking at number 0. Set noise reduction at number 7. Then just leave the details, contrast, and color noise reduction. Done. Then save to the device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. See you on next video. Thank you very much.